This chicken recipe is over 100 years old and is called chicken tabaka. Take kitchen scissors and cut the backbone of the chicken. We won't need it in this recipe. Then turn the chicken breast side up and bend the bones until they break. Take a kitchen film and cover the chicken. Then with a kitchen hammer beat the chicken well until you give it as flat a shape as possible. Now I sprinkled the chicken with olive oil, after which I added a pinch of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Then I took 6 cloves of garlic, crushed them and put them under the skin on the chicken's chest and under the skin on the chicken's legs. While the chicken is frying, the garlic will not burn, and at the same time it will transmit its aroma throughout the chicken meat. In a medium-sized pan, on a low heat, I put a piece of butter. After the butter has melted, I put the chicken breast side up to fry. You need to put a weight on top of the chicken. I put a pan with water. I fried chicken 25 minutes on this side on a low heat. Then I turned the chicken on the other side and put the same pan of water on top until it is fried on the other side for another 25 minutes. I prepared a simple and light salad. I took a cabbage and cut it into thin strips, after which I cut a few slices of carrot and a small piece of onion. I arranged it nicely on the cutting board and added a little salt and pepper, sprinkled with a little apple cider vinegar, and sprinkled a little sunflower oil. I read all the comments, so I would like to know from which country you are watching this video. Now the chicken is ready. I put it directly on this bed of salad. Look how juicy this chicken is. It is incredibly tender and has an incomparable smell. My children can't wait for me to finish the video and give them a piece of chicken to eat, and this salad is my husband's favorite salad. Hey everyone, it's time for me to say goodbye. But before I go, I wanted to share my favorite fried chicken recipe with you. Thanks for all the wonderful memories. Happy cooking and take care.